What's up guys, Hassan here, and today we are taking a look at the iPhone 14 series cases. So we have bunch of new cases from the subcase and iBlazon. We do have subcase, Unicorn, Beetle series drop tested cases. Along with that we have the iBlazon Armor Box and Aries series cases. And also we have 4 different iPhone dummies to test these cases. So starting off with the subcase, it is a 6.1 inch Unicorn Beetle style slim clear case for the base iPhone 14. The case is thin and lightweighted. Well, it does not contain the MagSafe coil, but it is a wireless charging compatible case. The backside is harder because it's a military grade drop protection. It is scratch resistant and anti-fingerprint case and has the raised bezel from the front and from the back, which protects your phone's camera and the screen. I do have the same case for the iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So next up we have the iBlazon Aries series case. It is a full body design case which protects the phone from dust, dirt and drops. Case comes with a built-in screen protector which protects the device against the scratches and cracks. It is just a plastic screen protector which is nicely built in. On the side, it is all covered so you don't get any dirt or anything with the mute switch, and even down there with the charging port which is nicely covered. And also the case is 20 feet drop tested and it does support the wireless charging. I do have the same case for iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is subcase UB-HXT Black. It is a MagSafe compatible case. Well, the grip is good, it is scratch resistant and has the raised bezels that keep the camera and screen from touching the ground, and also it is 15 feet military grade drop protection. Now this is the subcase UB-HXT clear case. Well, it is the same as UB-HXT Black. Only difference is that UB-HXT case has the black rubber around the camera cutouts and on the sides, and this one has clear transparent sides and the camera cutout. So next up we have the subcase UB-HXT. It is a wireless charging compatible case. It comes with the 2 parts, the back part and the front part, which has a built-in screen protector which protects the device against the scratches without compromising the touch sensitivity. Well, it is a plastic screen protector which gives you the drop protection, like there will be no damage when your phone falls normally. On the back there is a glass and the raised bezels around the camera which fully protects your camera. These are the iBlazon Armor Box series case. Well, it looks pretty neat. It comes with a nice little bed clip which has the rotating clips on the back which rotate 360 degrees. Here is the Armor Box case itself. So it is also the full body case which fully protects your phone all the way around. It feels nice and grippy. The buttons are easily accessible and clickable. It has built-in kickstand with 2 unique viewing angles. It is also a wireless charging compatible case and a military grade drop protection. Well, this one is the Armor Box metallic case. This color looks pretty cool. On the side there is a nice little texture so you get some more grip. To be honest, it is a very nice looking case. On the back there is a metallic finish and it does have the kickstand. When you look at the edges, the raised edges protect the screen and the lens from the damage. It is also a wireless charging compatible case and has the military grade drop protection. I do have the same case for the iPhone 14 Pro. This is the Unicom Beetle Pro Mag rugged case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I do have the same Unicom Beetle Pro for the iPhone 14 Plus as well. It is also a full body case that completely protects your phone. It does have the built-in screen protector. It is a MagSafe compatible case. On the back, it has the button where it actually pops out the kickstand. It's a deep purple color. The case is good, buttons are clicky, and the grip is also impressive. The case also offers the military grade drop protection. Well, you guys let me know what do you think about the Unicom Beetle Pro. So guys, let me know down in the comment which one do you like. I'll be sure to include the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Peace out.